very happy. They no longer sad, and they also had good food to eat, and they did not beg for the food. But the prince who was standing on the top of the pillar, he was looking very dull and grey, because all the cloth, golden cloth what was covered on the statue was being given away to the poor people. Then the snow came. The poor little swallow got colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. So after autumn, the winter season came, and the winter was very cold. It grew colder and colder, but swallow could not leave the prince. Why, children? Why swallow did not leave the prince? Yes, because prince did not have eyes to see. So whatever was happening in the town, every day swallow used to come and tell the prince. So swallow could not leave the prince and go away. At last he knew that his end had come. So swallow knew, now the winter is too cold, now I cannot save my life. End has come, almost he would die. Goodbye, dear prince, he whispered as he fell at the statue's feet. So he saw that he was about to die. He said goodbye to the prince and he fell at his feet. Goodbye, replied the prince, and something broke inside him. It was his heart. Now what happened? Swallow died, and prince also said goodbye, and something broke inside the statue, and that was prince's heart. The next day, the mayor and the town councillors passed by the pillar and looked up at the statue. So, if the heart breaks, can the statue live? Can a person live? No. That means even the statue also, the prince also had died. Prince in the form of a statue was also dead. So swallow was dead and the prince statue was also dead. So next day what happened? The mayor and the town councillors, they came, they passed through the pillar and they looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby our prince looks, they cried. So they said, wow, see how shabby. Shabby is dirty, okay? See how dirty our prince is looking. He seems to have lost all his jewels and someone has stolen his gold clothes. So they said to each other, see, all the gems are stolen and even the gold clothes what was being put on the prince is also stolen. And look, there's a dead bird at his feet. We can't have that here. It must be taken away at once. So now they also saw swallow bird who was at the feet of the statue, feet of the prince. So they saw the dead swallow bird and said, "Arey bhai, this bird also should not be there. We have to remove it at once. It would be better to take the statue down too," said another councillor. So other councillor said, we can remove the statue also. It is not looking good. It has become dull and grey. We'll put up a better one in its place. Whose shall we put this time? So they were talking to each other. We'll remove the statue. Now, who shall we put now? Whose statue will come up over here? Mine, of course, said the mayor. So, mayor is the head of the town. Mayor is a person who is the head of the town, who takes care of the people. Okay, the mayor said, oh, it will be my statue who has to come over here. They took down the prince statue and melted the lead to make the new one. So, they took out the statue that was made up of lead and they melted the lead to make a new one. But the workmen found a broken heart inside that would not melt. Okay, so there was a broken heart that did not melt only. So they threw it on the dust heap where the little dead swallow was lying. So they removed the lead, the broken heart. As it was not melting, they threw it in the dust heap. Dust heap is a big piling of things. Okay, dust heap means all the dust is being piled up. Okay, they are being placed one top on the other. So they threw the broken heart of the prince on the dust heap, and in this dust heap even the dead swallow was also lying over there. That night God told his angels, "Bring me the two most precious things in this town." So God has sent his two angels. God said, "Now from this particular town you have to bring me two most precious things." Precious means very, very costly. Okay, very, very costly things. In this town, they bought him. Him is the God. They bought him the broken heart and the dead swallow. So what did the angels bring? They brought two things. What were they? One was the broken heart of the prince and the other one was the dead swallow. Why did the angels pick up these two precious things, children? Because the prince was very kind prince. Okay, he wanted to see everyone happy, and this happiness was completed or fulfilled by the swallow. Swallow did whatever happy prince told. Right? So these two people were the precious things which God wanted. Okay? And the angels, they took the broken heart of the prince and the dead swallow to the God. And God said, "You are right. This little bird shall always sing in my garden of paradise." So, in the heaven, okay, garden of paradise is the heaven. So, this little bird, who was very, very kind bird, will always sing in my heaven, in my garden of paradise. And the happy prince shall praise my name forever. So, his name also will be included. He will start praising the God. So, even the prince will also go to heaven. Okay, so this is the story, one beautiful story about the happy prince. Right? Now, from this story, we can learn, children, that we have to be kind. Okay, kind at heart. Do good things, never do bad things, and also see that you make others happy. Okay, how can you make others happy? When you start making friendship with them without scolding or beating or teasing them, yes, and helping them. Okay, whenever a person is in need, we have to help. That is what is kindness. Okay, children, if we are kind, then God will definitely look into us. He will definitely take the people who are very kind to the heaven, like the happy prince. So from this story, we learn a very important thing, that we should be kind at our heart. Right? I hope you enjoyed the lesson, children. Thank you.